Does a person have a legitimate expectation of privacy in subscriber information provided to an internet service provider? That was the question in a child pornography case. In this case, law enforcement officers conducted an undercover investigation to look for people distributing or possessing child pornography. By using special computer software to conduct an investigation, law enforcement officers found a person who appeared to possess child pornography at a specific IP address. The officers were able to identify that the IP address was assigned to a Mid-Continent subscriber. The officers obtained a subpoena for Mid-Continent to turn over personal information of the subscriber associated with the IP address where the officers had found the child pornography. Officers obtained the information, and the person associated with the IP address was charged with possession of child pornography. The defendant argued that the subpoena issued to Mid-Continent was issued in violation of the law, specifically that he had a Fourth Amendment expectation of privacy in his IP address. The government argued that he publicly disseminated his IP address when file sharing the child pornography and therefore had no expectation of privacy. How would you decide this case? Does a person have a legitimate expectation of privacy in their IP address subscriber information? We'll be back in a moment with the answer. Does a person have a reasonable expectation of privacy in an IP address subscriber information? No, said the South Dakota Supreme Court. The court found that the IP address is a unique number that identifies a computer and its location in connection to the internet. The defendant has no Fourth Amendment expectation of privacy in his IP address subscriber information because he publicly disseminated the information. The Fourth Amendment does not prohibit obtaining information revealed to a third party and conveyed by the third party to government authorities. There is no violation of a defendant's Fourth Amendment rights involving search and seizure when a third-party internet provider receives a subpoena and discloses the defendant's subscriber information. Every federal court to address the issue has held that subscriber information provided to an internet provider is not protected by the Fourth Amendment's privacy expectation. Remember, it's a matter of law.